Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing step-by-step process of starting with affiliate marketing. Yes, I know you've been waiting for this. I've been waiting to do this video about this subject. Now, if this is your first time here at this video, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because when I do videos, I want you to be notified each and every single time. Now you know what time it is. This is Adam Shelton, and it's time to go ahead and deliver the content to you of getting started with affiliate marketing step by step. Now, when I first got on to affiliate marketing, when I first signed up for affiliate marketing, I didn't have a step-by-step process. I basically signed up and I just kept going. And if I had a step-by-step guide, as you would say, I think that would have helped me out a lot. And I know a lot of people, they want to do online marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, even network marketing, but it's not any type of guide, no guidance, nothing to start first. Now, I was talking to a person just 3 days ago, I think 3 days ago, and he wanted to start his own affiliate marketing business. And we had a short conversation on certain things, and I asked him questions like, why do you want to get started affiliate marketing? Why this? Have you done it before? What type of skill sets do you have already? Where's your mindset at? This question, I was asking open-ended questions to find out where he's at, and then I could be able to help him out and solve any of his issues, problems, or concerns. Now, one of the first things I really think you should do is work on your mindset. You got to work on yourself. And one of my mentors, he said, basically, before you even start anything, you should work on your mindset. So when you wake up in the morning, you should have a book to read. You should listen to affirmations. You listen to motivational things, audio, movies, whatever is going to get your mind going. Meditation. The book called Miracle Morning is a great book. That book there will definitely give you the tools, what you should do to grow yourself. The Miracle Morning, I believe that's the name of that book. You want to check that book out, definitely. I've been starting to read that as well. But you want to work on yourself and find out exactly what you want in life, and then basically any concerns you have with yourself in terms of how you're dealing with it, you want to go ahead and solve those problems. If you don't know how to solve those problems, you need to go ahead and get those help. So the first thing I tell people, and even myself, work on yourself daily. Because you can give somebody products and go ahead and start marketing them, but they don't got the mentality and mental makeup delivered every single day. Because when you're an entrepreneur, it's really about yourself and how you deliver to other people, how you deliver value to other people. But you need to get value yourself, take that value and give it to others. So the first thing, work on your mindset. Second thing, you need to ask questions. Why do I want to get affiliate marketing? Why do I want to do these type of things? What do I know about it? And you want to ask those questions because that would kind of tell you a little bit of the story. I didn't ask those questions. I just went ahead and did it because I saw other people do it, but I didn't really ask me, why do I want to do these things? So I want to tell you right now, you want to be able to ask those questions. Why do you want to do it? What got you the motivation to do it? Have you heard of anything about it? Do you follow anyone that does this specific, affiliate marketing opportunity that you're trying to do? You definitely want to do your research. And the third thing is, obviously, you want to find a right system. Find a good system. But before that, if you can, find the right mentor and coach. I'll tell you why. Because with the right mentor and coach, you'll be able to sell, market anything. I'm telling you that right now. With the right mentor and coach, you'll be able to affiliate and sell and market anything. So whatever program that is, you're going to have the skill sets to be able to do that. So affiliate marketing to me is a couple of things. It's your mindset, it's mentor and coaching to make sure you have the right mentor and coach. It's the right systems in place to go ahead and market your product. And you need to find some type of medium to deliver your product, like video, email marketing, blog marketing. So there's different steps you need to have. Mindset, coaching, some type of medium, go ahead and deliver a message in terms of marketing your product, video or email. There's other things kind of like, the right system. Okay, so what type of product and service are you selling? Are you selling Amazon products? Are you selling eBay products, Etsy products? There's a lot of products out there. Or if you're doing affiliate marketing in terms of a service, or network marketing, and I would say like CBD oil and things like that. So you need to find a right system that works for you, the right coach and right mentor, and get your mindset right. I'll tell you, those are the guys. Because once those things there, it's not going to really matter because you're getting the right coaching, mentorship, leadership, a good system in place, and that coach is going to help you how to deliver your message on each and every single day, because you're already working on that type of thing. What I like to do video, I like to do email marketing. I do have a mentor and I do have a coach. I tell you this right now, you should always have a mentor and coach. I don't care who you are. Everybody has accountability partner. I say everybody, but you should have at least accountability partner. If you don't have that, you should have a mentor and coach to help you each and single day. Because I see people, when they sign up to these programs, they're not working on themselves and they don't have a good mentor and a coach. They don't even have an accountability partner. So they're just going and going and going, but don't have anybody they can share ideas with. They don't have a coach there that's been where they want to be, and that person can deliver the message to that student, you know. Or you don't have a right system. You're signed up under this program or this opportunity, but it's not the right system for you. You know, you're not even happy with it. You're not even really feeling passionate about it. So that's a problem right there. So solve those problems, you know, solve those issues there. I'll solve your issues there. Just take one by one at a time. You got mindset, you know, mentorship and coaching, the right system in place, and 4 right there. Well, those 3, the 4th right there, you'll go ahead and start the process. Then you'll really start the process after you do that. So mentorship, you know, actually mindset, mentorship, right system, and then you'll really start the process, because you'll be able to sell and market anything with the right systems in place for you. That's all I got for you. I want to do this video about affiliate marketing step by step. It was really mainly about just getting yourself together and making sure you're on the same page. Now, if you don't have the right system in place, I do have an unbelievable opportunity right below this video. Right below this video is my #1 recommendation to starting your own online business, making money from home. And this place here, when you click on that link, you'll go ahead and add your email address in there. You'll watch a short video and you'll go ahead and sign up. And check this out. It's $1 to sign up for this opportunity, mainly because I want to help you out each and every single day. So go ahead and sign up. You don't have the right system. Let's say you all got your mindset together, or you have a mentor and coach, but you need a right system. Click on the link below. I'll be your sponsor, your leader, to help you out every step of the way. Every step of the way. And get this, when you sign up, you'll be giving an advisor to direct you in the training. There's an awesome training package that goes with this as well. It's $1 to go ahead and start it out. They'll ask you open-ended questions. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'll even ask you open-ended questions, because we need to know about you and where you're trying to go in your life. So click on the link below, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. I can't wait to do another video tomorrow. So stay tuned. Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I can't wait to do another video about helping you out each and every single day. Have a good day.